doing something a little, not like unusual with these potatoes, but I thought I would share. So I boiled these tiny little potatoes. Whoa. And now I'm gonna smash them with the same pot that I boiled them in. So my pot's a little hot. So, hot pot. Hold the other, with your other hand, get like a mitt or something. And then line them all up so everybody's got room. And then cover a bunch and then just press it down. You'll hear them start to pop. And if you've boiled them long enough, this should not be hard. Like, they're ready for it. I love this. This is like my favorite way to eat little potatoes. And of course, you know I'm gonna put chives and scallions and serve them with ketchup for my little guys, and possibly make a, so you could do like sour cream with some chopped chives and salt and pepper. That would be good. But how adorable. So coat them with salt and pepper and olive oil. Toss them in a high oven, like 375, and bake them just for, I don't know, check them at 10 minutes and see how they look. And they should be good to go. They'll crisp up a little bit. You'll notice that they turn a little browner, like where the skins have been crushed. And yeah, like this will start to get a little brown, like a baked potato would. Delicious. Enjoy.